look at the crafter section. So let's take a look, guys. All right. So up along the top here, they have those fragrance sashes, and then they have these hexagon shelves. They brought these back. Okay, and then they have these little tiny carafes, and then these. And then over here they have these vases, the star and the square ones. Then they have these trinket trays here, but then they have these heart-shaped ones. I wonder if this is from Valentine's Day. Be mine, I think so. Okay, so that must be old stock. So then they have these candle holders and these. They have these candle holders right here, guys. They're so pretty. Then they have more of these. And you know what, guys? I'm really liking these candle holders right here. They're so pretty. I only see one. So then they have the double pack over here of these votives. And then they have one of these shell ones. So I'm just gonna scan through. I think this is new. This one here is new, but I only see those two, guys, these two. Then they have the iridescent ones, which are right here. And since they're all mixed together, these are the frosted ones. And then this here is all stock. But here's the frosted ones, and they come in the green, the pink, the blue, and the white. Then they have some more of these. Now, we've seen these guys before, but that's okay. And then we have these. And let's see. So they have this scented floral spray hanging over here. And then they have some washi tape over here. Okay. So then they have these vases here. Over here they have the moss balls, the 3 in a pack, and then the slightly bigger ones, 2 in a pack. And then they have these decorative butterflies, and they're huge. So they have them in this blue, the yellow, the pink. And I think they have a purple one, but they don't have them here. Then this is the raffia, and these are the moss stones. They have some of these succulent picks. Guys, these are really pretty. And then they have these flat candle holders. So here they have the pebbles, the sand, and even the sea glass. I gotta think of a craft with that. Then here they have the seashells, but they only have the one kind. Like they have the seashells like this, and then they have these. I was looking for the little ones. I don't see any though. Then they have the green pebbles, and then here are the votives. So down here they have, what is this? This is pebbles too, but these are not like the glass ones. And this is black sand, and there's the white stone. So here's some more of that floral spray. So if we come over here, let's start on the top. So you have the tea light votive candles. Then you have the 3 sizes of these tea lights. Then you have these and the heart vases. I guess that's a vase. And then you have these right here, the fishbowl vases, and they have the bigger size and the smaller size. That's pretty neat. Then they have the square ones. And here you have the you know what? I think I'm gonna grab 2 of these to do a craft with. These are the multicolor, and the green and the blue and the white. But they also have the red and the white and the plain white. Then they also have, there's the pebble stones over there, and next to that the black stones. And so over here we have the easel, and it comes in the black and the white. And then you have these wooden boards. I like that shape. Then you have these picture frames. Aren't they pretty, guys, for $1? Then you have the star and the heart, and over here you have the flower, guys. I love those. And then these have the chalkboard. Then you have the numbers, and then you have these. These are great to craft and make some ornaments. And they have them in the square. So here they have the palettes. Guys, these are so nice. Then they have the wood cutouts, but only in the dinosaur, at least here. So they have these boxes, guys, with the laser cut on the top. So they have this owl, and now they have this owl. They have the butterfly, and that's all I'm noticing. And then they have this frame here, and then they have the sign that says cutie, and some of these wooden trays. So over here they have the animals, guys. I think that's a dog, and here's some kind of a leopard. Here you have some reptiles. There's another one back there. Then you have some more chalkboard, the easel-like and the stand. Then here you have some more wood cutouts. This one is the one with the house. And you know, guys, these are really cute because they have like a little compartment there. You can make a little floral arrangement maybe, or you can use them for utensil boxes, you know, for your little brushes and stuff. Here is the birdhouse, and then here's the little photo stands. Aren't they cute? Some of them are shaped like bugs, flowers, round. Then here you have a giraffe, and here's a cactus, a unicorn, a butterfly, and a cross. Then over here, guys, you have the rub-on transfers. Here they are in the gold, the black. These are the regular stickers, and they come in those kind. And here you have the regular stickers in the gold and the silver, and these are new. They're like in these fun colors. I can't really get in there to look, but I'm trying to show you a little bit. See the blue? Then they have this, and then they have these. So these are stickers also, and they have them in this style, this style. They're all mixed in, guys, so I'm trying to show you what I can. And then that style. Then these here rub-on transfers. Aren't they beautiful, guys? Let me come up close. Then they have these rub-on transfers, and I'm loving that font. So then they have these stickers, guys. Aren't they nice? Are these stickers? No, those are rub-on transfers. Let's see, are these? Yeah, these seem to be all rub-on transfers. Look how pretty they are. Then they have this kind here, and they have this kind here. Then here you have your stencils. This is flexible stencils here, and then here's a regular stencil. And I don't see the adhesive stencils. So then you have your stickers. Over here you have your gemstones. There's the color ones, and then these. Then they have, I always show these guys. These butterflies are so beautiful. Very realistic. Okay, guys, so you have these craft stickers right here. The paper stickers, and here's the butterflies. That's the cupcake butterflies. And look at these gummies. Oh, they're probably hanging in the wrong spot, but there's, and those are too. So then you have these stickers right here, and then you have these. Okay. And then you have the dinosaur, and then you have those pineapples over there. Here's the loved ones, the thankful. These are so pretty. Look at these llamas, guys. I like that llama, need no drama. Girl. That's funny. Okay. All right, so over here we have some more adhesives. The adhesive glue. So they have the wood glue here, and then what is that? That's paint. Okay, and then the craft glue. Then they have these color glues right here, and then the marker glitter glues, and here the glue sticks in colors. So then here they have the brushes, guys, the metal brushes, the brush set, the stencil brushes, and then these are the crafting brushes. Here's the chunky brushes, and they have this. This is the foam roller with the tray, and then they have these paints here. Here's the paint palette, and here's some acrylic paint, and over here you have some paint. These are all washable too. So over here you have the foam, the floral foam up here, and then you have the vases here, and you have these. These are really nice. These are like mason jar ones, and then I'm loving these vases with the chalkboard on it. So you have these vases, those, all the way to the bottom where the fluted vases are. And you have the floral foam here, and along the bottom you have the burlap rolls, and here you have the ones with the lace. You have that green one, the pink one. Here you have some floral foam, and here's some candle warmers right here. Over here you have some of this, they call it sparkle yarn. So they have it in these colors, guys. It's very pretty colors. And they have one white, I think. Yep. Then they have those foam sheets. They do have these crafting boxes, and over there they have the felt. So here you have the chalkboard tags in the round, and here you have the stakes. You have them like that. These are the ones with the clothespins. These are the stakes. These are the clothespins. And here's the heart ones. The metallic pens and the silver and the gold. And there's the embossing stylus. Here you have the wooden cubes and the applicator bottles. And here you have the finger protectors. There's your pom-poms and your feathers. And we got some stuff here in the way, these boxes, so I really can't get too much here. Let me just see if I can grab some of these wooden beads. So I'll grab 2 of those, filled numbers and letters, and then you have your glitter. There you have your reusable, closable bags, and here you have some glitter, clothespins. You have your wooden beads, your gold beads, and I really can't get back there, but I see googly eyes over there. Guys, because of these boxes, I really can't get to much stuff, so thank you for coming with me to the Dollar Tree to look at their crafter square and their vases and candles. So you guys are having, I hope you guys are having an awesome day, and I'll see you guys in the next video.